He knew I did not enjoy math. He knew that was not something Sarah liked to do. So that man really tried to pull things out of me. He was always hands-on with us. He would bring out counting blocks, counting bears. He would bring candy. He would have us draw our lives in math equations. He really put math into a perspective that I've never seen it before. I've always seen math taught on a whiteboard or on a projector or something, and someone just writing out a bunch of equations and teaching them. I've never had someone be so hands-on with me, especially as a 22-year-old. A lot of my college professors just stood there and talked to us. He really wanted to, like, grasp things out of us and really wanted to take the reins and be able to have us get the biggest bang for our buck.
It sounds like he was modeling a lot of what you eventually want to also showcase as a
He was,
yeah.
and while I was in my practicum, he would stop by all of our schools and just come in and say hi and see how things were going, meet our students, which made me think, "Okay, he's not here to just teach us, like, he actually cares about the people who he's shaping." So, he was awesome.
That's so neat.
I also love that it's the math teacher.
Yeah. It's
Because to
I
your
went
point
into that class
earlier,
I went into that class thinking, "Oh my gosh, this is gonna be the worst hour and 50 minutes of my life," but it was actually the most enjoyable out of all the classes that I was taking that semester.
it's proof positive that not just adult learning theory, but just learning theory in general, when you have somebody who really understands, it changes everything. And,
Yeah.
you know, creative writing, you always think about, like, getting in little groups and a kinesthetic piece of actually putting the story together, and you bind the book in 4th grade. I remember doing that, but to actually have that kinesthetic aspect to math, I think I could have benefited from that. I'm
Yeah,
sure that
I
a lot
definitely
of kids
did.
did.
And it sounds too that he really formed a relationship with you.
Oh, he did. He was awesome. He would send weekly newsletters about, like, what to expect in class, like, kind of life updates. Every time we would walk into the room, the first 5 minutes of class would just be us catching up with him and talking.
That's huge because it all established rapport, so there was a level of trust, you know?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
It was more than just him teaching us. He actually wanted to build relationships with all of his students, which was really awesome.
Did he redeem math for you? I guess that's the big question.
He did a little bit. This is actually crazy. Math is one of my favorite things to teach, which I never thought that I would say that. But yeah, when I was in 1st grade, math, that was my thing. I love teaching the 1st graders math. 5th grade was a little different, but 1st grade, I really loved teaching math.